Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to this last trading recap of 2021. And it was not a bad one, it was pretty good. So, today I traded Oracle and AMD as usual, starting from the daily level, the daily chart on Oracle or ORCL. I found this level, if you go back even early December, it was holding this 87.77 level. So it also formed kind of like a double bottom if you take the last 2 days. So I took the entry over there. This was actually a limit entry, and I had a target. So you can see it clearly bounced off this level. I had a target over here at 88, but as usual, I got out too early. So one of my plans for 2022 is actually to hold my stock to my target and start limiting my partials. That's one of my goals for 2022. As you can see here, for this example, we've been holding it to 88. But nonetheless, this was a 1 hour win. Not so bad. My other trade that I did was on AMD. Again, go to the daily level. It seems to be forming an ABCD pattern on the daily. So if you take this A, B, C, D, assuming the bounce over here at around 145, you can see from the 30-minute chart. The 30-minute chart, so it had the previous day low here at 144, but there was also this level at 145.65 that it bounced off of hard yesterday. So when the market opened, I didn't really have a specific level, but what I did notice is that they had a lot of ask at 147. So the price was around 146, and there was a lot of ask at 147. So this was kind of a level 2 type of opening range break up play. So when the market opened, it came down, it hit this level, and it quickly bounced back up. And that's when I went long. You can see all the bids disappeared, and the stock started to pump up. And that's when I said, okay, I'm gonna go in with a target of around previous day close. So actually, I'm very happy with this hold, being able to get out some over here. I'm okay with missing this move over here, but again, this partial, that's something I gotta work on for 2022. I partial, I find I partial way too much. Another reason here that I should not have partial is because there's a lot of people playing this break. This pre-market high break is a very common day trading trade where they would trade the breakout of the pre-market high. So there was no reason to partial, right? If you know a lot of people are coming in, the asks are still high. There's no reason to partial here. Should have partial just over here. But nonetheless, was a 1.4 hour trade. So ended up 1.4 hour plus another 1 hour, so 2.4 hour day to end the year. That's not so bad. And another plan that I just want to talk about is for next year, I want to start trading reversals. So I'm just going to talk about it over here. A trade that I did on Ford. But this trade, it was on my practice account. So this is not real money over here, this trade. But I noticed it's been working out. So what I'm going to try to do next year is to find these key levels. In this case, is previous day high. And when it reaches these key levels and there's high volume coming in, and these reverse dojis, or just high bid starts coming in at certain key levels, those are the type of reversals I'll be taking. And that turned out very well in this case. I think in my practice account, this went up almost like 5R. This was a 5R win. So yeah, that's something I'll be working on next year, 2022. So I just have a little note over here. Goals for 2022. Hold. That's a very tough one. It's a big psychological barrier, right? To hold to your target. So that's my goal for 2022, to actually hold my stock to my target and start trading reversals as I just showed on Ford. So that's it. That's my goal for 2022. Hope you guys like this recap, and I'll see you guys next year. Best of luck. Thank you. Bye.